Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to set a fingerprint lock on Samsung C55 5G device. Well, setting up a fingerprint lock on devices offers users a secure, convenient, and personalized way to protect their personal information, enhance privacy, and streamline the authentication process for accessing the device and sensitive data. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings on your device and ensure that you have set up screen lock, whether it is a pattern, PIN, or password. Okay, next please scroll down and choose the security and privacy menu. Okay, and then tap on the biometric option. So, select the fingerprint menu and input your screen lock. Now click continue and choose the register option. Following that, place your finger inside the circle, lift it when the circle is fully highlighted. Then press again. Once completed, click on the Done option. Well, that's the tutorial on how to set fingerprint lock on Samsung C55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.